Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get blue comments on TikTok. And for this you need to be lucky and you just want to hit the algorithm that makes your comment blue. So if you have this video from Tommy Richman and if I tap on his comments, you will see some blue selected things that people commented. Alright, if I tap on million dollar baby, you will see this. And you can just do this by commenting something that TikTok thinks that's an hype in the chat. So if I type in something like check more, check Tommy Richman house, and I comment this, some people will like my comment, some people will comment this thing too, and then if I got lucky, TikTok will make my comment blue. There is no option how to do this by yourself. It just needs to hit the algorithm and you need to be lucky. Alright, this is how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And thanks for watching.